Indian Talent Olympiad, International Mathematics Olympiad. Mathematics is one of the scoring subjects that require students to master concepts. Indian Talent Olympiad is hosting International Maths Olympiad in various schools pan India. It is open for students from class 1 to 10. All questions asked in these exams are MCQ format. The Olympiad exam also forms a base for students to score well in academics. It gives students an edge over the other solve tricky questions. Students can approach the subject teacher and enroll for the same. Schools can download the form or the student can individually participate. Several schools in India have tied up with ITO. Teachers often identify students who have a flair for math and encourage such students to participate in national and international Olympiad. Indian Talent Olympiad reserves students with prizes and awards who top in Maths Olympiad exam. Syllabus for Class 1: Shapes and sizes, number system, addition, subtraction, time, money, measurement, patterns, and logical reasoning. Class 2: Lines, shapes, number system, addition, subtraction, time, money, measurement, patterns, and logical reasoning. Class 3: Basic geometric shapes. Addition, subtraction, basic geometric shapes, number system, multiplication, division, fractions, measurement, time, calendar, data handling, and logical reasoning. Class 4, the same for till chapter 5, 6, 7, new chapter, data handling and logical reasoning. For class 5, concept of geometry, number system, factors, multiples, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, fractions, decimals, measurement, data handling, and logical reasoning. Class 6, concept of geometry, number system, factors, multiples, integers, decimal fractions, ratio, proportion, arithmetic, basic algebra, data handling, mensuration, symmetry, and logical reasoning. Then in class 7, there is for class 7, number system, fractions, decimals, linear equation in one variable, algebraic expression, comparing quantities, exponents and power, ratio, proportion, practical geometry, lines and angles, the triangle and its properties, mensuration, data handling, and logical reasoning. For all classes, there is logical reasoning. In class 10, real number, arithmetic progression, polynomials, quadratic equations, probability, permutation, and more. In class 9 and 8, it includes number system, algebraic expression, linear equation in two variables, circle, triangle, lines and triangles, quadrilateral in areas, comparing abilities, and more. For class 8, rational numbers, exponents and powers, square, square roots, cube, cube roots, maths magic, factorization, comparing quantities, direct and indirect proportion, operation on algebraic expressions, understanding quadrilateral and practical geometry, operation on algebraic expressions, understanding quadrilateral and practical geometry, mensuration, data handling, and logical reasoning. There are workbooks to get the workbooks. The books are available for all classes in the International Mathematics Olympiad. There is also previous year's question papers. You can either take the annual Olympiad or the monthly Olympiads. Now, let us see the first level exam date. The IMO Olympiad first level exam date is now declared for the year 2021 to 22. Now, let us see what the dates are. For Mathematics Olympiad alone. International Maths Olympiad for all classes. Level 1A, slot 1 of round 1. 11th December 2021. Slot 2 of round 1, 22nd January 2022. The annual Olympiad exam is 30th November 2021. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Special thanks to Kavita Izir and Indian Talent Olympiad. See you in the next video.